northeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Middleton, or near North Andover, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Peabody, Salem, Beverly, Andover, Gloucester, North Andover, Danvers, Reading, North Reading, Ipswich, Winfield, Middleton, Georgetown, Oxford, Hamilton, Rockport, Newbury, Groveland, Tops. The Boston, Massachusetts climate summary for this evening.